Hello guys, welcome. It's been a while and I'm really sorry about my schedule. But yeah. Anyways, welcome to today's video. And today we'll be learning about forms. So if you don't know what form is, this is just a brief example. So like basically provide your first name, so let's say my first name is Jimmy. Dabatunde. This is my name, but yeah. And you can just click enter and let's put you can also add like a button to like add when you're done with it. And basically you can also add CSS to form, and CSS will be our second part of today's video, by the way. So if you want to connect, there are three ways you can actually do this. One, after your H1 you click start, you do style, then you select the style, so you can like color, background, align, stuff like that with CSS. CSS is an amazing coding program. Or you could do what I did here with the extended, which you make CSS. So just name your thing anything. Let's say think.css. Yeah, you can just name your thing that, and yeah, it will be named as that. But basically, after you do that, you connect it with the link and whatever you named it .css, and if you know it's working, hold CRL, then click, and yeah, that's how you know it's working. So yeah. Anyways, in my style, and then when you get into here, you can like add your style. So let's say I decided in here to style my H1, and I got this, yeah, and when I go on port, it centers, sorry about that, my bad, it centers what I just wrote. So let me pull that back up. Yeah, so just, hey, I just been working and stuff, but to show you guys, but yeah. Anyways, that'll be it for today's video. Thank you and bye.